So this morning we are leaving Vava'u for Niuatoaputapu or Niuatoaputapu up in the north of Tonga. It's the northernmost port in Tonga, and then we're going to go from there to Samoa. So we've already got the mainsail up. Fiona's just releasing the mooring, and then we're going to be out of here. Yep, ready. There's a little mooring. So get the boat through the mooring field. We'll get the fenders in as well, Fiona. Forgot about those last night. Well, here is Fiona and I. We are departing from Vava'u in Tonga, heading to Niuatoaputapu, or Nui Potatoes, depending on who you are, how you pronounce it. It's only taken me a month to get that out.
Sacred. It's also called the Sacred Island if you want to make a translation. So, New Potatoes or Sacred Island.
Sacred Island. We're off to a sacred island. Hopefully they have sacred run there, so that'd be lovely. But yes, we have spent, I've spent a couple of months in the rest of Tonga and a month here. We've been sailing up from Niuatoaputapu through Pangai. Spent a month here. Fiona's just finished a dive course, which is pretty exciting. And now we're heading off to our final destination in Tonga before we head up to Samoa. So we've just got the Genoa routes. Beautiful sailing day.
Had whales swim underneath us.
Yeah, it's been awesome. We had a whale swim right underneath the boat just recently and checking us out. Didn't hang around, sadly, but it's been a beautiful morning. Getting a little bit more cloud now, and in about half an hour we will lose the protection from the island and we'll get a bit more rolly. Fiona is just going to shake out a reef with So this is how we do reefs, shaking them in and pulling them in solo. So always good to be able to solo your boat, not have to worry about anybody else. So that's what Fiona's doing at the moment. She's just doing a solo reef, or shaking out the reef. On Tintin, we just have single speed mechanical winches on the main. It's not a huge main, it's a ketch, so it's a little bit heavy for chicks. But she is tough, so we'll see how we go. All right. Yeah, I mean, you are incredibly strong, Fiona. A couple of wraps around and then,
Yeah, I just looking at the house.
yep. Okay, very good, Fiona. Awesome. Yeah, it's a little bit heavy, the trying to put that last reef up.
Yeah. Yeah, putting the clutch in is probably really important because if I let it go, because my hands are slippery and sweaty, then
You'd have to start again.
well, it could also just
Yeah, you
spin
could.
and hurt myself
Yeah, it could hit you hard. Yep.
very hard.
Yeah, once you can do the clutch up and then just keep winding the winch up because it's got a one-way,
Yeah,
mechanism in it.
yeah. Release the clutch to lower it so I can get the pennant off and then
Tighten it back up.
again.
Yep. Cool.
And you know what would be useful? A stool
A stool.
would be useful.
Well, probably another 50 kilos of body mass and some bigger biceps as well.
A stool so I can put my weight on it.
Yeah.
Stand up there and push down.
Well, maybe a longer handle.
Yeah,
Mechanical advantage.
but anyway.
Or we could get the electric drill out and put a drive on it for you.
No.
I've seen men do that, Fiona. Not proud men, but men. Well, here's the morning. We are one day from Vava'u, and we had a beautiful sunrise. Best time of the day. Just with the moon up there. Got the sun coming up. A bit of cloud out and about. Yeah, this is my favourite time of the day. Everything's quiet. I'm generally on watch by myself. And it is just glorious. Yep, another beautiful day. Well, just in front of us is Niuatoaputapu, Nui potatoes, and its smaller, much taller cousin to the north. So we're about 9 miles from our destination, pushing along with the motor on, trying to get there before dark, and we going as hard as we can at the moment. Our plan is to try and get in and be on the anchor by about 4 o'clock this afternoon. So yeah, that's the plan, is to just get there. And at the moment, the weather's easing off. We've had southeasterly, easterly, been 15 knots, probably back down to about 10. So we've got the motor roaring along, but we'll get there. It's only about 8 miles to go, so getting closer. Just up there. Recording now, Fiona.
Action.
We are just arriving at Niuatoaputapu, Nui potatoes, aka Potato Land.
So disrespectful. So disrespectful. Yeah. Anyway, that's Trevor's pronunciation.
Yeah. What do you think, Fiona? What are your initial thoughts?
You know what my initial thought is?
What's that?
It looks like the drawing from The Little Prince.
I don't know what the Little Prince is, Fiona.
It's like that.
Okay.
And it's shaped a bit like a cowboy hat, or a bit like a boa constrictor having eaten an elephant.
Okay. What were you eating just before?
Boa constrictor eating an elephant?
No. You got to stay off the seasickness meds, Fiona.
It looks very peaceful. That's green.
Yeah, it does actually.
And I'm
Well.
looking forward to it being there.
We're about 3 miles from the entrance now, so just dropped the mizzen, and very soon we will jibe and head down towards the entrance. Camera to focus through the binocular. Look at that beautiful face.
But I don't think it would. Some beautiful sights out there.
There are. Just looking at one right now. It's a beautiful part of the world. That crazy little island behind us.
9 people live there?
9 people. Yep, it's a steep little island.
Tafahi.
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 Tafahi. It's a tougher hill. Yeah, what a great place. Well, we'll go ashore soon, check it out, do some custom stuff, have a walk around, maybe even walk up a hill. God, we get lost.
Maybe find the fresh spring.
Fresh spring, maybe. We found this fresh spring last night, Fiona. It was called Rain.
That was nice.
Well, we have just arrived in Niuatoaputapu. Well, not now. We arrived last night, but it was pissing down rain, so we didn't go into town. Didn't even put the dinghy in the water. We just put the dinghy in the water then, and we're going to head into town shortly. But yeah, this is Niuatoaputapu. That's the entrance over there, behind the catamaran. Quite a big bay. Quite a few little reefs through the place, but they're all typically has a piece of steel pipe or something hanging out of them to indicate there's a reef. One in front of us, one over there, which is handy. I appreciate that. It's awesome.